Jamb withheld many results. If you wrote this year's Jamb results, Jamb exam 2024, you will notice that if you have checked your results, you will notice that many results are not showing. Thousands of results are not showing. If you're watching this video, you will learn why and what you can do about it. Okay? So, on 29th April, being Monday, Jamb released the results for 2024. Jamb, the result has been released. Many people have seen their results. By the way, if you have not seen your result and you have been checking it, you don't know how to check it, just comment under this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, then comment that you want the link to check your result, and we will send it to you immediately. If you have not checked your Jamb result and you don't know how to go about it, just subscribe to this video and tell us that you have not checked and you are looking for how to check it, and we will send you the link, guide you on how to check your result. So the registrar of Jamb, Professor Ishak Oleyede, made this note, declared that Jamb has released their result on Monday, 29th of April, and also that certain results have been withheld. How many results were withheld by Jamb? 64,624 out of 1.9 million that searched for the exams, that registered for the exam. 64,000 results were 64,624 results were being withheld. And why are these results being withheld? Why are these results being withheld? Before we get into that, look at this material I'm going to send you, how to check your Jamb result. Go over to our channel, Noble Tutorials. You can see other videos. We did this particular video for you to check your Jamb result. We also did another video for you to check your Jamb result using SMS. If you have not seen the videos, please look at them immediately. Now, back to why Jamb withheld the results. They said 64,624 results are under investigation for many reasons. Number one reason, for verification. Number two, procedural investigation of candidates. Procedural investigation of candidates. Center-based investigation. Maybe there was issues, suspicious issues in the center where you wrote your Jamb, and alleged examination misconduct. So this could be why Jamb is withholding your result. Not all the results have been released. 64,000, as much as 64,624 results. Your own may be included. So if you have been checking for your own, just calm down, keep checking. It may still come out. And if you have not gotten your own result, just comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment that you have not seen your own Jamb result, and we will see how we can help you. By the way, Jamb also extended direct entry. If you're a direct entry candidate, go over to our YouTube channel. You will see this video. Watch it and follow the guidelines. So we wish you all the best in your exam. Remember, subscribe to this video right now. Once you subscribe, tell me and we will start guiding you. God bless you.